Lab, warm up and cool down. What happens to solar radiation on Earth? You've just learned that the Earth's shape affects incoming solar radiation. Along with the spherical shape, Earth also has many different types of surfaces. Do different surface types affect how solar energy is received? Let's investigate how sand and water compare in their abilities to absorb and release heat. Lab, warm up and cool down. Our materials: water, sand, lamp, a thermometer, the 500 milliliter beaker, and a stopwatch. Step 2. Which surface, sand or water, do you think absorbs thermal energy more quickly? Which surface, sand or water, do you think releases thermal energy faster? Record your predictions on a separate piece of paper. Step 3. Fill a 500 milliliter beaker halfway with sand. Place the bulb of a thermometer 2 centimeters deep into the sand. Wait for 1 minute and take the temperature. Our temperature reading after 1 minute is 26 degrees Celsius. Step 5. Remove the thermometer and place the beaker under the lamp. Record the temperature of the sand after 10 minutes by placing the bulb of the thermometer 2 centimeters deep in the sand. Record this temperature on another sheet of paper. The beaker has now been under the lamp for 10 minutes. We will turn the light off, move it away, and measure the temperature underneath the sand, approximately 2 centimeters. The temperature reads 33 degrees Celsius. Step 6, we have moved the sand away from the heat source. We'll wait 10 minutes and retake the temperature of the sand. The beaker of sand has been removed from the heat for 10 minutes. We will now place the thermometer 2 centimeters into the sand and record the temperature. And the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. We are now going to repeat steps 4, 5, and 6 with water. First, we're going to place the thermometer into the water and give it 1 minute. The temperature reads 26 degrees Celsius. We will now place the beaker of water under the lamp for 10 minutes of heat. After 10 minutes, we're going to remove the water from the heat source and measure the temperature. The temperature reads 30 degrees Celsius. Our final step, the water has been removed from the heat source for 10 minutes. Placing the thermometer in the water, we will check for a change in temperature. The temperature now reads 28 degrees Celsius.